going to give you the instructional for Ain't Nobody. It starts off right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step, half turn, step, half turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Go up, half turn with a right, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Go up, 1/4, go right, left. Next step, cross and kick. Cross and kick, cross and kick, cross and kick, kick, kick. Cross and kick, cross and kick, cross and kick, kick, kick. Next step is a weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a chop, chop, chop. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple step. Triple step, cha, 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 same difference. Okay? Let's see. Those are all the dance steps in the dance. Except for when you get to the bridge. The bridge, jump right, jump left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're turning. You're going to do this on each wall. 2 up right, 2 up left. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they call this the chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to the end, you're going to do a combination of slides up and back and that weave. So I'm going to start with the slide up. Well, I'll start with the weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide up and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide back, back, turn and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to continue doing the weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide up, rock forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide back, and turn and rock. 2, 3, 4. Here's a weave again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide up and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide back and turn and rock. 2, 3, 4. You're going to do this 3 more times. You're going to do it on this wall, which is 3 o'clock wall. You're going to do it 2 times in the front. Starting with the weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide up and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide back and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do it 2 more times, and then you'll have 1 more time to do it. That's the entire dance. Do the dance, come back, and look at the Instructionals Chocolate Platinum Line Dance Series. Instructional 101.5. Thank you.